Hi, my name is Showrabh,
Hello, my name is Tirtha.
and we were working together on the database project. So once we get to the login page, we do see a username and password option. So let's say we type in test 12. That's the password. Is his username or password is incorrect? Please try again. So if I do click login with no information, it does say that I do need to fill out a username and password. Now, moving on to the registration page, we do see a username, password, retype password, first name, last name, gender, and age. So let's say I name the person Ham, and the password as PASS. PASS. Actually, let's say I do end up spelling it wrong. His name is John Doe. He's a male and he's 18. See, we see that the passwords do not match, so we do have to register again. So let's type everything again. This time I'm going to spell it correctly. Pass, and his name is John Doe. He is a male and he is 18. So once I click register, it says registration is done, and it says please log in to continue.
And if we go to the database and go to the customer table, we can see that Ham and Pass, the username Ham was inserted in the database. And there are a couple other functionalities in the registration page. For example, if we uh, if we don't fill in all the fields, it will basically tell you to fill in all the fields. If we use an existing username, for example, Ham, then let's try something. It would also throw an error saying that the user already exists. Please use a different email. And let's see if we do go back to the login page. If you log in as the admin, which is root, password is pass1234. Oops, ROOT PASS1234. Login. There's a button called initialize database. So when I click on that button, what happens is that all of this will be removed. Then 10 of that username will be re-added, and I hard coded that in the code. So we can give that a try by clicking on initialize a database. Let's go there. So all of the emails will stay except ham. Let's refresh it. There you go. And if a user logs in instead of root, one of the user that we have named is Emma, I believe. Yep. Password is 1234. We have couple functionalities. For example, we can look at all. We can insert some video by clicking on insert video. We can put a link youtube.com. Title is let's say fun. Comedian name show. Description fun day. Tags let's say funny. And comma let's say another one comedy. And if I click on insert video, it tells you that video is inserted. And if you go to the database and go to the video table and search that up, we can see that YouTube was added. Title is fun. Description is fun day. Comedian name shows up. Video ID. Also, the date also shows up by itself. And if you want to look at the tag, we go to the tag table, where if you refresh it, you can see that video 5 has a tag and a
Tag ID.
tag ID. There you go. So all the tags show up one by one. So if a single video has multiple tags, it creates two different rows. For example, video 0 had a funny and hilarious. So kind of like that. And on video 5, I inserted funny and comedy. So those two are also showing up in here. A couple other functionalities that we can talk about is we can go to okay, we can click on view all video, where it basically shows you the video URL, title, description, tags, video comedian. We can also search a video by video comedian name, and video tags. Do you want to give that?
Yeah, so if you click on search videos by tag, we can go over here and look up something that we had previously. For example, the one that he just created was funny. So if I click search video by tag, we see that all these videos have the link as funny. So if you see show right here, this is the one that we just entered recently. And going back, we do have search video by comedian. So when we click over here, we can search up a person.
Uh,
So we
oh, sorry. You have to write it the way we entered it.
Oh yeah, okay. So if we search video by comedian, we type in Amit and click search video by comedian, we do see the video pull up over here. And if you click play over here, we also see that the video is playing. Here's the video ID, title, comedian, and we do have a few other functionality. Um, so we do have add to my favorite comedians, and we do have a section for add review.
Okay, so let's say if we do click on add review, we can give that video 3 a fair rating and comment saying that could be better. Insert a review. You're saying the review is inserted, and we can check it by going to the review section. Let me expand that a little bit. Uh, there you go. So Emma is the username. The rating that she gave was fair, saying that could be better, and the date also shows up in here. And for example, let's make Emma. Okay, okay, let's go back a little. And let's say she wanna add Amit to her favorite comedian list. So if you just click on this, it tells you that favorite inserted. So if we go back to the home page, which is right here, and we go on video view my favorites, it tells you comedian Amit is a favorite. So I can also remove the favorite by clicking on the delete favorite. Let's go back and yes, for insert video. We also added a functionality where the user won't be able to insert more than 5 videos a day. So let me just try some random stuff, or else it will take a while. First video, second video, third video, fourth one, and the last one should be right here. There you go. Tells you the maximum allowed video insert count reached for the day. And we can go on the database, go to the customer, go to the video table, refresh that, and we can see that, let me scroll down a little bit, that Emma has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Emma already has 5 inserted video for the day. And if she comes back tomorrow, she'll be able to insert more videos. And let's go back to the emma@gmail.com. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say we go on view all videos. Let's play one of the video that Emma just inserted right now, which is one of them is this one right here. 1 second. Oh yes, I will have to stop the server and rerun this for it to process. Emma@gmail.com. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at one of the video that she just inserted. Let me just make sure from the database. Video ID was video 9 and video 8. There you go. Let's just try video 8. And that The video paused for a second. So we're currently logged in as emma@gmail.com, and once I clicked on one of the video that Emma posted, the button for add review is gone. Just because we put a restriction saying that a user cannot comment or review on her own video. And that basically concludes our presentation. Have a good day.